Welcome to the K.F.A region! On tonight's episode of Master Designs, tonight we're gonna draw skwovet. This Pokemon is Go's second Galar region Pokemon, besides Scorbunny. Known fact about skwovet: he's got the power to snatch food and store it in his tail. That caused a huge dilemma at Cerise Park.
I got your back and you got mine, and there's nothing that can stop us now. If all else fails, will you help me when I lose my way? Set yourselves to be ready for the winds of change, 'cause the journey starts today.
Alexa, play Journey to Your Heart.
Here's Journey to Your Heart, theme from Pokemon Master Journey.
I never realized that Galar region Pokemon were so popular since Dynamax Pokemon were discovered. And stay tuned for more episodes of Pokemon Master Journeys coming soon on the 21st. And finished! That's how you draw a skwovet. Now this guy's a really popular fellow. One of my favorites. Well, technically he's more of a fan favorite from other viewers. Anyways, I better sign off for now. Forgot to add the cheeks. My SD card's about to run out of storage. Anyways, please like, rock, and subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment below on which Pokemon you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later. Better hurry before I get cut off.